The first thing that is important to outline is that no matter what business you're in, or service you provide, or product that you sell, there's always a process that is connected to that product, service, or business. And we as human beings, we like things to be convenient. So whether you're ordering food, or you're even ordering a massage, or you are going to the dentist, you want that process to be as streamlined as possible, because time is such a precious commodity, right? You can't make more time, but you can make more money. So even oftentimes people would be willing to invest more money in a service that's more convenient. So that being said, let's think about this as it relates to drive-through businesses, okay? If you are in an area primarily that is high volume, high traffic, a lot of people in these environments are much more sensitive to time. Now, doesn't mean that everyone isn't, but these individuals tend to be. So if you can get a drive-through, you are going to support people in saving time